Welcome to the course on ladder safety. Safety tips. Wear footwear that is in good condition and has a heel. Clean, muddy or slippery boot soles before mounting a ladder. Avoid climbing with wet soles. Raise or lower tools and materials using a hard line. The hands should be free of tools or materials while climbing. Carry small tools in a tool pouch. If the item you need to retrieve from the shelf cannot be brought down safely in one hand, get help from a coworker. First, hand down the item, and then descend the ladder maintaining 3-point contact. Remember that selecting the right ladder length is very important. It will make the job safer and easier to perform. Set up a barricade and warning signs when using a ladder in a doorway or aisle. Do not use a ladder in a horizontal position as a scaffold, plank or runway. You can also call us at 866-706-7283, extension 2, or email us at sales@fast-rescue.com.